The watermelon is cracking.
Water is leaking rapidly.
We must fix it immediately. Summon the construction crews.
The primary fracture is located here.
We need to stabilize the rind immediately.
Check the flow rate and document new fractures.
Keep stacking the bricks. The watermelon needs its protection.
Almost there. This wall is looking strong.
Watch the leak. Don't waste the water. The water is finally draining. Good. We can begin repairs on the south wall. And our new dam design is...
Keep it flowing. Move those trucks.
Reinforce the wall. Speed it up.
The pond is filling. It's working. The structure is holding. Excellent. Divert the overflow to the fields. Affirmative. Full flood control achieved.
This changes everything. A toast to the future of our village.